What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Coach Sean's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 different ways to do chicken in the air fryer. I'm going to show you the easy way, a fancy way, and then my personal favorite way to cook up some chicken in the air fryer. You're not going to want to miss it. This is Coach Sean's Kitchen. So if you're new to Coach Sean's Kitchen, welcome and thank you for stopping by my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and like videos, share them on social media. It's the single best thing you can do to help out Coach Sean's Kitchen. So for all my recipes today, I'm gonna be using chicken thighs, and that's because I think they taste so much better than chicken breasts for not that much more fat. I always get my chicken thighs at Costco. You can get 10 pounds of chicken thighs for $10, and I debone them and deskin them myself. And if you want to see what I do with both of those parts, please watch one of my earlier videos, but please don't make fun of me. It's like the second video I ever made. So let's dive right into this first recipe, the easy version of chicken in an air fryer. And when I say easy, I'm not kidding. All I'm doing is hitting it with a little bit of salt on both sides and then putting my favorite seasoning on the outside. Today, I'm using the Bee Sting rub from Halo and Cleaver. This is a great rub if you want some sweetness on your food without all the added sugar. Once I've got it seasoned up, I'm gonna put it on my pan and it's gonna go into a 350-degree air fryer. Now this time and temperature could vary based on the type of air fryer you have, so make sure you watch your chicken carefully. And there you have it, a quick and easy chicken thigh. Now just because this one was easy doesn't mean it's still not delicious. This is a great way to cook up chicken thighs when you're in a hurry. Now the second way I'm gonna show you how to do chicken in the air fryer is a little bit harder, but it's entirely worth the effort. And we're gonna make chicken marinara. So I've got my breading station ready to go. I've got my egg wash, which is just a beaten egg and some Italian breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna dip my chicken in the egg and then toss it in the breadcrumbs, and then it's going right on that parchment lined sheet pan. And if you wanted to make chicken nuggets, just cut them smaller. This is the easy way to do it. And our chicken's gonna go into that same air fryer for that 10 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees. But I am gonna make 2 changes this time. The first, I'm gonna flip it halfway through cooking it. And second, when it has about 2 to 3 minutes left before it's done, I'm gonna take my chicken out. I'm gonna put a little bit of prepared marinara sauce on the top, cover it with a little bit of Sargento thinly sliced cheese, and I'm gonna put it back in that air fryer to finish cooking for 3 minutes. Once it's done, you can finish with a little garnish of basil, and there you have it, a quick, easy air fryer chicken marinara. Now both these recipes are freaking delicious, but I'm gonna show you my personal favorite way to do chicken in the air fryer. And that is gonna be chicken tenders breaded with protein powder. Yeah, protein powder. So to kick it off, I'm gonna start by brining my chicken in a buttermilk wash. Now, don't go out and buy buttermilk. Buttermilk is literally just milk and an acid, like vinegar. So just add a cup of milk, a tablespoon of vinegar, and bam, you've got buttermilk. In addition to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of pepperoncini juice that I had lying around because how's that not gonna be good? Then I'm gonna cover these and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Once our chicken is done marinating, I'm gonna drain it and then I'm going to toss it in a combination of unflavored protein powder, almond flour, and then a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Once again, I'm using Halo and Cleaver's Cajun rub. This rub is amazing. You guys should check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now you may be tempted to bread multiple pieces of chicken at once. I'm telling you to not do this. This stuff is incredibly sticky. It's incredibly clumpy. Do one chicken tender at a time. You will thank me for this later. Once I've got all my chicken lined on my parchment lined baking sheet, it's gonna go into that same air fryer. 10 to 14 minutes, flip once halfway through until it gets to your desired crispiness. Now taking a look at how these came out, they look freaking amazing. My favorite part about doing chicken this way is that I can get a crispy outside without adding a bunch of carbs and breading to it. If you're struggling to get extra protein in your diet, this is a great little hack to help you do that. So there you got it. We've got 3 different versions of how to do chicken in an air fryer. Let me know down in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Coach Sean's Kitchen, and as always, you can make anything homemade and healthy.